cool. Yeah. Sunny Banani. Ninjani. Yeah. Oh, hi. No, Coco. Posey today. Hi, Coco. Hi. Oh, bonakala kahle.
Sanibona.
Ni right. Awuzwa. Zinjani ilwane. Oh, Nkosi yami. Mana ngenzi room. Banani. Maranina. Hey, Lana Mara. It's zipping up the much. Guys. Hey, my brothers said they found. My brothers said they found a snake in my aunt's chalet. Now they want me to take it out because I said I wanted to be a veterinarian. I'm not a veterinarian yet. You. I'm not a veterinarian yet. So how am I supposed to know how to handle a snake?
Ngaphandle awuyilethi lana endlini. Hayi ifile ne.
Iphushele ngaphandle.
Rounder. Kuzomela uround ngaphandle.
Iwini.
Yini ibamba?
Hayi.
Yey, please.
Pastor alvalang. Asilvalang lela pastor.
Sisilvala. Asafuni ki.
Gone. Hey, Nkosi yami. Oh, beka le hanger. Bang. Good morning, world. Welcome to our first full day of our family trip. The time right now, I think it's past 11. I don't know how many minutes past 11. 7 minutes past 11 o'clock. I just finished taking a shower and getting ready for the day. I'm going to go eat breakfast. My grannies have been calling my cousins and I to come and eat breakfast. So yeah, we're gonna go eat. And then I'm not sure what we're going to do for the rest of the day, but today's gonna be chilled. There's nothing much that we have planned. Yeah, but you guys will obviously just see what I vlogged out the day, so you'll know what's happening. Guys, asambeni. They were waiting for me. Now I'm waiting for them. But now, you know.
Look, I'm a spring blazers man with business jumper. Jumper, Sunday, go.
You just like to leave. I don't know if you guys can see them properly.
Spusi so naughty.
Hey,
bro. Hey, bro.
Sele.
10,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
1.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Woo, 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 woo. Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Happy birthday to you.
Hey.
Happy birthday, dear
wake up,
Woody. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yip yip. Yip yip. Hooray!
Guys, as a birthday gift,
Shem.
as a birthday gift, please subscribe, like, comment to Spoomi's channel.
Okay. Yeah. Just ngalala ne.
Too big.
Thank you.
Thank you, right?
And you see, what is his birthday? He have marshmallow.
Yeah, what?
Marshmallow.
Yes, marshmallow. Yes.
And, but marshmallow is nice.
Nice, ne?
And there's a fire there. We need to help war. We need to take a fire truck. It's really water. My friend, I leave you alone.
Mama ko tala. Same story. We are not going to tell
Mama, I did too. It's nice.
Nindu gezingaki?
Yenze one ube enough. Yenze one ube enough. Excuse me. Oh, and then that's yenza kuchechi. Ay, that's when the person leave. Limnandi. Oh. Limnandi.
I forgot to show you guys, but I got a GoPro for Christmas. My uncle gave me his old GoPro camera, so I'm going to give it to my brothers now while they're swimming to just get some footage, because it's waterproof, right? This is how it looks. I have a GoPro, so I'm going to give it to them so that they can film something for me, like, you know, the water activities. And then yeah, we're gonna see how the footage looks when I'm editing. Bells!
It was made in Japan. Yeah. You know, our figure when I got our 25. Yeah.
And cut. Hello world. We're about to enter 2025. It is currently 5 minutes to 12 o'clock. Honestly, I don't know why I'm up. Like, I wanted to sleep, but like my cousins want to be awake, so you know, I have to do it for them. Woo! 2024 is ending in 4 minutes. 4 minutes will be done with 2024. This is our little countdown. Oh my gosh, what's happening? Oh. 30 seconds! 30 seconds! 30 seconds! 30 seconds!
The metro Singapore, okay, but it's Kaka, in the top 10 feet.
How do you mean 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Happy New Year! What else should I do?
Butterfly.
Oh, butterfly. Oh, this is so cute. Girl dinner. Yeah. Oh, so that car.
Guys, and then couldn't even phone it. So easy. You know what?
Hey, make you. Hi guys, so we've made a stop at Ludwig's Roses, which is a rose farm here in Pretoria North, if I'm not mistaken.